In this video, you will see how to mirror JPG image in LibreOffice Writer. As you can see, I have these two different images that I had mirrored, and it's very easy. To mirror JPG image, you just need to click on the image, and after clicking, you will see this selection dots, the blue dots around the image. What you need to do is, let's say, we will copy paste this image and make a second copy. Now to flip this image, click on this dot for example, hold the click and then just drag it to the left side like this. However, note that the problem is you may not get the exact size of the image. So to find the exact size of the original image, right click on the image, go to position and size, and here you can see the width and height of the original image. So it is 7 by 7. So we will also click on the mirrored image, go to position and size, and we will enter the same dimensions 7 by 7 and then click on OK. So in this way you can mirror JPG image in LibreOffice and match the picture size of the mirrored image. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification icon if you want to learn LibreOffice quickly. See you again in the next one.